Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your general love reading for the month of October 2021. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Another thing I want to tell you to all my Aquarius that I'm really sorry I'm unable to do the reading these days. As I told you in my previous video also, that I'm going through a process of ascension, so a lot of downloads are happening, so I'm unable to do the reading like I used to do, but still I was receiving some downloads, so I have to deliver the messages which I was receiving to all my beautiful magical beings, to all my Aquarius all over the world. So I am delivering these messages in a short way. Okay, I can say that I shuffle the cards, I got the messages, and now I'm making this video to deliver all the messages. So take messages which are important for you, Aquarius, and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the important messages for my Aquarius for the month of October. Aquarius, I am seeing a lot of prosperity which is coming for you here. Okay, there is a prosperity message which is coming for you. Let me show you that there is a lot of prosperity, abundance which is coming for you, and you are going to get union with your divine masculine and the feminine here. Can you see the masculine and the feminine is here? So this masculine is coming towards you, and this is your divine counterpart, this is your divine pair, this is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, this is someone from your past which is coming back in your life. Some of you have already met this person in this lifetime, and some of you are going to meet this person in this time frame, but this is your divine counterpart, the masculine and the feminine. Okay, the god and the goddess, you both belong to each other. Okay, so this person is bringing lot of prosperity, lot of passion, I can say here, because here I'm having wand, ace of wands. This is the ace of wands, this is the new passionate beginning which is happening, which is starting between you and this person, and this person is bringing a lot of beautiful energies to you. I can say that right now you have to protect your energy, protection is required here. Okay, protection and grounding is required, earth energy is here, so ground yourself and protect your energy. Okay, protect your aura, spend some time in nature so that you can ground your energy and protect your energy here. Okay, then there is a message of contentment and homecoming, so spend some time with family. Okay, if you want to cook, you can cook food, and the second message for you is contentment, that you are cooking, you are working on yourself, you right now you are cooking basically the ingredients, you have all the ingredients to cook a food, basically you have all the knowledge to create something beautiful. Okay, so keep that knowledge with you right now, and try to work on that area as much as you can and share that knowledge with the all world. Okay, because we need you. So you are right now feeling contentment inside of you, that's the message I'm receiving here. This person is bringing new passionate beginning, definitely ace of wands is here, so this person is bringing new passionate beginning for you, and there is power, imagination, and feminine. Okay, so now you are claiming back your power. Okay, you're working on yourself, Aquarius, and you are creating yourself, you are rising as an empress. Basically the feminine energy is the empress, and I have also got the messages from the tarot, I will show you that too, and that also you are right now rising as a empress. Okay, you're becoming the empress here, you are working on your creativity, you're working on your imagination. So, and if you are still not working, so you are working on your imaginations. Okay, so keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, according to the, can you see in this picture how the direction is here? So keep using your creativity, keep using your imagination as the compass of your life. Okay, follow your intuitions, follow your direction, which your intuition is trying to give you, and you are the air sign. Okay, so follow your imagination, follow your power, and you have all the powers and manifestations manifest anything here. So you are rising as an empress, okay? You are rising as an empress, you are rising as an goddess, the feminine energy here. These are the messages from this deck. Now see more messages from the Ganesha. Let me adjust the cards. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, there is crown here enlightenment, which says the crown chakra activation. Lot of downloads are happening inside of you, Aquarius. Okay, through your crown chakra, the universal knowledge is getting downloads. A lot of ascension downloads are happening inside of you. So right now you have to take care of yourself. Relaxation card is here, and here also I'm having the third eye chakra here, which I'm having. So your third eye chakra and your crown chakra is getting activated, so your intuition is guiding you properly. There's a lot of downloads, and I can say ascension is happening inside of you, Aquarius. Okay, so take care of yourself here. Right now you have to relax and surrender yourself to the divine, to the universe. Okay, spend some time with the nature and take care of your health basically properly, because right now you need proper rest, and surrender yourself to the divine, because everything is happening according to the divine plan. There is some kind of decision which you have to make, Aquarius, because there is someone from your past which is coming towards you at a very high speed. They are rushing towards you, they're coming towards you. Okay, which I see, and with whom you are going to move in a forward direction. But maybe right now you are unable to make a decision here with the Two of Swords. From the tarot also I'm getting the Two of Swords energy. So you are unable to make a decision, but you will be going to make a decision with the blessings of God, Lord Ganesha. Okay, he is going to help you out in making the decision. That's why I'm saying that use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, because your intuition is guiding you. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let's see more messages here. See, again the radical expression is here. So use your creativity, use your imagination, and your imagination is opening up the doors to the new things. Basically that is also a way of self-love, and it's also a way of healing. Okay, so radical expression is the message. Use your creativity, that will help you out in opening up your heart chakra, in making you more healed. Okay, so use your creativity here. Then there is fire here. That means your Kundalini ascension is taking place. Okay, you are rising your Kundalini, you are moving in a forward direction. Your fire element is making you more aligned with the universal consciousness. So that's very beautiful. You're making all chakra balance here. So your Kundalini ascension is taking place here, and that's beautiful. Then there is the violet flame. That means that anything you need to let go, you need to let go and connect with the violet flame. Can you see in this picture there is a third eye here? You have all the answers within yourself, Aquarius. Okay, just try to connect with your third eye. Just try to, because you are already getting activations of your third eye here. Your third eye and your crown chakra is already getting activated. So you're already receiving lot of downloads and guidance from the universe. You just need to focus on that energy, receive that energy here. Now there is 3 affirmations which I got for you, Aquarius, and you can take a screenshot of these 3 affirmations and use this affirmation. That will help you out. Okay, the first affirmation for you is, I anchor the boundless light in my heart, I am divine. Okay, so you can use these affirmations. Okay, I anchor the boundless light in my heart and I am divine. The second one is, I reawaken my soul's desire to learn and grow beyond existing limitations. And the third one is, I create loving action which set my soul free as I grow with gratitude. Always have an attitude of gratitude. Pay gratitude to the universe, to the divine, to give you, to bless you, to have whatever you are having right now in your life. Always pay gratitude to the universe that they have blessed you with such beautiful things in life. Okay, so these are the 3 affirmations which I am having. Now let's see the messages from the tarot. What are the messages from the tarot? So this is the energy which I receive for you for the month of October 2021, Aquarius, and the energy which I received for you is 8 of Wands. Okay, so there is a lot of communication which is coming towards you from this person. Okay, maybe they will contact you through social media app, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, whatever way, maybe they will call you, but there is a lot of communication which is indicated here. But and they are going to offer you some kind of offer, but maybe you are not ready to accept the cup with the Four of Cups. You are not in a mood to accept the cup, and you're saying no to this person. Okay, but see how colorful this cup is, Aquarius. Okay, before saying no, you have to see the rest of the cards. That's why I'm showing you. This is the new beginning which is going to start here. Okay, this is the beautiful energy of Sun. Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, so this is the new happy beginning which is going to happen with this person. Okay, in your life here, Aquarius. They are bringing the happiest new beginning with you, and they want to move in a forward direction. So you are going to move in a forward direction with the Chariot. Okay, now you know what is black and what is white. You know what is right and what is wrong with you, in for you, basically. So you are going to move in a forward direction with this person. This is someone which is coming from your past. I told you this with the Six of Cups. Six of Cup is also a soulmate card. Okay, with you have spent many past lives together, so you are going to move with this person here in a forward direction, and this is someone from the past which is coming back here. You will get your clarity with the Ace of Swords. Okay, and that's the karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. Okay, so this is the clarity which is going to come in your life, and this is the karmic justice which is being served in your case here. Also, there is a Wheel of Fortune. This is the good luck, the good fortune which is moving in your favor here. And this person is rushing towards you. Okay, they're coming at a very high speed. Knight of Swords. They're coming towards you at a very high speed, rushing towards you, Aquarius, and they see you as an Empress. Okay, I told you that right now you are in the energy of your feminine energy. Right now you are rising as an Empress, and that's beautiful, Aquarius. I'm proud of you, because right now you're taking care of yourself, you're focusing on yourself, and you are rising as an Empress, and they see you as an Empress, basically. That's why they are coming towards you, they're rushing towards you. And then I start the clarification also. And right now many of you are single, happy, abundant. Nine of Pentacles. You are, this is the pre-Empress mode. Okay, you know that you are having everything. You are single, happy, content, okay, in your life, and you can create and manifest anything in your life. You are in your element, basically. Okay, so that's the energy which I received. Then I do the clarification of these cards. So Eight of Wands is being clarified by Eight of Wands again, and the Knight of Swords. Okay, so this person is going to rush come towards you. There is a lot of communication. Definitely there is a lot of communication which is coming towards you here. Can you see there is double confirmation of Eight of Wands and the Eight of Wands? So this person is coming towards you with a lot of communication. Okay, expect a lot of communication from this person, and at a very high speed, because this is the fast moving cards which is coming towards you. Here also there is Knight of Swords and Knight of Swords. So definitely this person is coming towards you at a very high speed here. They want to communicate, basically. But the second card I told you is Four of Cups. You are not ready to accept the cup. Maybe you are not ready and you are saying no. Why you are saying no? Because this person broke your heart in the past. Three of Swords. They put you in a third party situation. That's why you are not ready to accept the cup here from this person with the Three of Swords here. And you know the truth. That's why maybe you are not even emotionally available to this person. You are right now in your element of King of Swords, because you know that this person broke your heart in the past. Okay, so this is definitely someone from your past who is coming back in your life, and you already know this truth, that this person put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart and they give you pain. That's why you are not ready to accept the cup from this person. And but you are going to move in a hermit mode, and maybe after this whole scenario you move in a hermit mode. And this is good, Aquarius, because hermit is always good when you look answers from within yourself, that what your soul wants. Okay, so this is happening here. Then there is Sun. Okay, this is the new happiest beginning which is going to start here, and which is being clarified by the World, the Fool, the Six of Cups, and Ace of Wands. I told you this person is bringing some new passionate beginning in your life. See, double confirmation again, Ace of Wands and Ace of Wands. So this is the new passionate beginning which is starting again between you and this person here, and you are closing out a cycle. So there was a cycle between you and this person, and now you are closing out the cycle. You are ending ending one cycle and you're starting a new cycle between you and this person. Okay, just take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. The Fool energy is here, so you need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. There is Six of Cups again, so can you see there is Six of Cups and the Six of Cups. So this is definitely someone from your past, and this is also a soulmate card. Okay, so this can be a soulmate for you. Okay, soulmate is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together and you both belong to one another. Okay, so this is someone from your past which is coming back here. Then there is Chariot. Chariot is being clarified by Six of Wands and the Emperor. So you will definitely going to move in a forward direction. There is success, recognition, victory, and this person is rising as an emperor, sorry. Okay, here I was having the Empress. Okay, you both are the divine counterparts to each other, divine pairs to each other. Okay, you both belong to one another, and you are made for each other basically. Can you see the Emperor and the Empress both are here? Again, the masculine and the feminine energy. Maybe in the past you both were not in your highest version, that's why you both separated your paths, but now when you both are working on yourself, you are rising as an Emperor and the Empress here. Okay, so this is the message which I was getting here. This was the clarification here for the Chariot. Then there is Six of Cups here. So Six of Cups is being clarified by the Hierophant, the Knight of Cup. 1 minute. The Hierophant, the Knight of Cup, the Three of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Empress here again. So this person wants to get married with you, Aquarius. They want to get married or give you a commitment here with the Hierophant and Three of Pentacles. So they want to basically take this relationship on another level. They want to collaborate with you. They want to be in touch with you. Not only in touch with you, they want to give you a commitment. Either there is a marriage commitment or a relationship commitment. They want to get married with you and they're coming towards you with a lot of love. Knight of Cup is someone who is very romantic, stable, loyal person. So they're coming towards you with a lot of love because they see you as an Empress. Can you see? I told you they see you as an Empress. So they love you basically. And they are keeping an eye on you with the Page of Swords. So they are keeping an eye on you, that what my Aquarius are doing, and maybe through social media app. So they are keeping an eye on you, that what are you doing in your life. Then the next card was Ace of Swords, the Moon, and the Death card. So maybe there was some kind of confusion. Maybe you have the confusion, you do not have the clarity of emotions here with the Moon, but that phase is going to end and you're going to get the clarity here. Can you see? Okay, so this is the death and rebirth. This is the transformation which is taking place in your life, Aquarius. The unclarity, there was basically the confusion or unclear thoughts, whatever that was there inside of you. Now that is going to end and you're going to get the clarity with the Ace of Swords. Okay, so you're going to get the clarity and the truth here. So this is very beautiful combination here. Then there is Justice, High Priestess, and Ace of Cups. So beautiful combination of, this is the karmic justice which is being served in your case, but use your intuitions, Aquarius, with the High Priestess. Okay, use your intuitions, and this person is going to offer you a cup which is full of Ace of Cups. And this reading is all very beautiful because here I'm having Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, and Ace of Wands. Okay, so 3 aces in your reading, Aquarius. This is beautiful to see that. Okay, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, and Ace of Wands. 3 aces in your reading. So this is beautiful here. This Ace of Cups is a cup which is full of emotions. Okay, emotional fulfillment is coming towards you. Okay, there's a lot of love, lot of emotions which are coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, then there is Wheel of Fortune, 9 of Cups, and the 10 of Pentacles. So this is beautiful. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and the Wheel of Fortune, the luck is going to give you your wish fulfillment. This person is your wish fulfillment, and you both will create 10 of Pentacles, and 10 of Pentacles is abundance of everything, abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of everything is 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so this is beautiful combination here, Aquarius, and I love it. Then there is Knight of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Chariot. Here again the Chariot is here. 1 minute, where is the Chariot? Here, can you see there is again the double confirmation of Chariot here? So you are definitely going to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Maybe right now you are juggling between two situations, saying whether to accept the cup from this person or not, and you have to make a decision. I told you that there was some kind of decision which you have to take with the Two of Wands, but you are going to take this decision, and the divine is going to give you guidance. They're going to give you the strength, the courage to make a decision here. Okay, and no, you will not be going to juggle more here with the 2 2. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 2 2 2 these days. That can also be a possibility here. Okay, so that's the message here which I received here. Then there is Empress, Two of Swords, the Four of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. So this is beautiful, Aquarius. Maybe right now you are unable to make a decision here, okay, but use your intuition. That's why the High Priestess is here. Make a decision, because this is the time where you have to make a decision. This is Four of Wands and Ten of Cups. Four of Wands is also a twin flame card, the 1111 card. So maybe this can be your twin flame also. That can also be a possibility for some of you. Okay, and this person wants to create happy family, happy life, okay, with you. So create that, make that decision, and make can you see how the beautiful energies are here for you, Aquarius? Then there is this was the another three cards, another three messages, energies which I receive for you. That is Three of Cups, King of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Lot of cup energy is here for you, Aquarius, in this reading. This person loves you, okay. This can be a water sign, earth sign. That can also be a possibility of fire sign, or even all signs are here. Sign can be anyone, but this person loves you. This person is tuned in their emotion. The King of Cups is here, and there's a lot of celebrations which are coming for you here. This person is bringing celebrations here with the Three of Cups, and this is Two of Cups. So you both love each other, okay. That's the advice, or the advice I can say from the universe which I received here. So this was the reading for you, Aquarius. I hope it helped you out in some manner. So do not reject this offer, I can say you that, okay. Just see how this person is giving you the beautiful things. I know that this person hurt you in the past, but just see the colorful cup which has been offered to you, Aquarius, okay. So this was the reading for you for the month of October. Sending you lots of love, healing, light, and happy energies for Aquarius. Take care of yourself, and if you want to let me know anything, then you can let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed yet, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, Aquarius.